extreme performance.
Hello guys, my name is Joni. Welcome back to my channel. Today I bring to you Nissan Patrol Super Safari. This car give you very good performance in off-road, trust me. Please watch till the end video performance. I will show you how your Safari going to ride crazy in off-road. And also I am telling you how to fabricate exhaust system in your Nissan Safari. At first you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You never miss my latest performance videos.
So we're in building headers 6-in-1. It's giving good performance for Nissan Patrol Super Safari. Then make 3-inch downpipe with the climb. You can easily remove it. Then install 3 inches the Valvetronic muffler. You can easily control sound with your remote. Make it also flange 3-inch, you can easily remove it. And here is back. If you keep it original muffler from back. Because most of the people no need big louder sound. This is the secret part I am telling you. So how was my performance works? Please like and subscribe my channel. Maybe next video performance yours car. Please have a look how is the sound coming from system. Wish you all the very best performance. Thank you.
So what's this?